Preconditions describe the context in which requirements should work. However, they are only implicitly assumed in many requirements. My name is Wolfgang Meincke from BTC Embedded Systems Stuttgart in Germany, and I welcome you to my 5th requirements engineering tip. In this little series, we want to have a look on 7 good properties for requirements. Preconditions embed the requirement in the right context. Let's have a look at the following example of a requirement. If the ignition key is turned to start position, the engine should turn on. I guess you agree with me that this is a valid requirement. However, it will not work in most of the cars. Depending on which gear type you have, you will either have to press the clutch pedal or you have to put the selector lever into the right position, N or P. Let's take another example from the power window lifter. If the drive up switch is pressed, the window has to start moving up. This requirement is also quite clear, but it is only valid if the window is not yet at the end top position. Preconditions are assumed implicitly for many requirements, but this will lead to additional effort. At best, additional coordination is necessary between requirements engineering, development and testing. Worst scenarios are that the requirements are implemented for scenarios where they should not apply at all, or the other way around, it's only implemented for a specific use case, but it should apply in others as well. These issues are usually detected during reviews and testing. However, they still generate additional and unnecessary effort in your project. In contrast to a specific feature, which is quite easy to write down as a requirement and to implement, preconditions are much harder to detect, and they develop during the requirements gathering and writing phase. Considering the right preconditions is a challenging task, and I will talk about this a little bit more in my next video, where we'll also go into detail, figure out which preconditions are relevant and which are not. That's it for today. If you liked the video, give it a like, follow us on our YouTube and LinkedIn company page. If you'd like to discuss this topic with me, please write something in the comments below or contact me directly. Thanks for watching and goodbye.